Hi, I'm Paul Akers. My company FastCap has developed a new product called MyGrip. This high-tech synthetic material can be placed in hot water for just 1 minute, then molded to make a perfect custom grip for anything. You can use MyGrip on hammers, cordless power tools, baseball bats, tennis rackets, mountain bikes, wheelbarrows, propane tanks, walkers, canes, ski poles, hockey sticks. Anything your hand grips, MyGrip customizes it to your hand. MyGrip comes in black and yellow. If you're not happy with the way it feels, just peel it off, reheat it, and mold it again and again. MyGrip is only $10 each, but right now we have a special. Get 4 MyGrips for just $30 while supplies last. Plus, free shipping and handling anywhere in the continental United States. MyGrip, feel the power. Enjoy the comfort of a custom grip for your hand. Call 888-443-3748 or log on to mygrip.net and order yours today. Made in the USA.